In this video, you are going to learn galvanic cell. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to express half-cell equations and the overall cell reaction equation, and illustrate a galvanic cell using a cell notation. Based on this diagram, how do we write the equations? First of all, half cell is a portion of an electrochemical cell in which a half reaction takes place. So, the half cell refers to the cathode or the anode. For an equation at cathode where reduction takes place, the equation is Cu2 plus 2 electron produce Cu solid. While at the half cell of anode where the oxidation happens, the equation is zinc produce Zinc2 plus 2 electron. And then we can combine these two half cell equations into an overall cell equation. Since both half cell has 2 electrons, we can cancel these 2 electrons and write the overall cell equation Cu2 plus zinc produce Cu solid plus Zinc2 plus aqueous. We can also write the overall cell reaction into a cell notation. To write the cell notation, we must first know the ABC rule, where the equation at anode is represented first, followed by a double line represent salt bridge, and followed by the equation at the cathode represented. For example, using the overall cell equation just now, we know that the zinc is oxidized into Zinc2 plus. So we write zinc solid, single line Zinc2 plus. The single line is written to separate the zinc solid and Zinc2 plus aqueous, followed by a double line representing salt bridge, and then the equation at cathode where Cu2 plus is being reduced into Cu solid. So we write Cu2 plus single line Cu solid. The single line is written to separate Cu2 plus and Cu solid. So we write the equation at anode followed by salt bridge and then equation at cathode. That's how we write cell notation. Let's see some example. We need to write the cell notation for the following equations. The first equation is Al solid plus Cr3 plus aqueous produce Al3 plus aqueous plus Cr solid. From this equation, we know that aluminium is oxidized while Cr3 plus is reduced. So we write the equation for anode first, aluminium solid, aluminium 3 plus, double line, Cr3 plus and single line, then Cr solid. The same goes for question B and question C. For next example, we are given the cell notation where we need to write the half cell and the overall cell equation based on this cell notation. So, while looking at the cell notation, we know that at the first part, it is an equation at anode where zinc is oxidized into Zinc2 plus, and the second part is the reduction at cathode where Cr3 plus is being reduced into Cr solid. At this point, you should notice that I put 3 zinc and 3 Zinc2 plus, while for Cr, it is 2 Cr3 plus and 2 Cr solid. Why? Because we need to balance the electron at anode and at cathode. So for zinc, we multiply by 3, and for cathode, we multiply by 2. So we get 6 electrons respectively. This electron is cancelled, so we can get the overall cell reaction, which is 2Cr3 plus 3 zinc solid produce 2 Cr solid plus 3 zinc 2 plus aqueous. So this is how you change cell notation into half cell and overall cell equation. That's all for this video. Thank you.